Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing. Locate your geometry dash install and open the folder that holds the game's assets. Once found, make a complete backup of that folder so you can revert if anything breaks. Next, get the font file you want, TrueType or OpenType, and place it in a working folder. Make sure you also have a simple asset tool ready to view or extract game asset containers. This enables you to access the font resource directly and begin the swap. Now you extract and replace. Open the game's asset package with your extractor and navigate to the font entry. Once located, note the asset file name and format so your new file matches exactly. Then, rename your replacement font to the game's expected name and convert formats if necessary. This prevents loading errors. After renaming, import or overwrite the existing asset inside the package. Make sure the asset flags and directory structure. Finish by repacking and testing. Save the modified package and place it back into the install folder, preserving original paths. Then launch Geometry Dash and inspect menus, level text, and HUD elements to confirm the new font displays. If anything looks wrong or the game crashes, stop and restore your backup immediately. Those backups are your safety net. Once restored, check that the replacement font exactly matched the original file name and format, or try a different font conversion tool before attempting the swap again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.